In this video, I'll show you how to write SOPs with Claude AI. This is a quick way to create clear and structured standard operating procedures for your business or team. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create an SOP. For example, I might type, "Create a standard operating procedure for onboarding new employees." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a structured SOP, usually including sections like purpose, scope, step-by-step instructions, and responsibilities. If I want a more detailed SOP, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the process, team, or specific steps involved. For example, I might type, "Create an SOP for handling customer support tickets." Claude can also help format the SOP with clear headings, numbered steps, and easy-to-follow instructions. Once the SOP is ready, I can copy the content and use it in my business documentation or training materials. And that's it. I've successfully created an SOP using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.